BBG cars.
Long run now, red Corvette and my drop top down, calling up my digits in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone. Falling and I'm a whip, yeah. Out in Fairfax, going hard in the pit, yeah. I still ball on the pitch, yeah. Something wrong with the picture. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why you need to lie? Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why? How do you get by? Way longer than I'm used to. You started hanging with a new crew, talking to my friends like that's something that I'm used to. I never cashed else, I just wanted him to lose you. Damn, puffing on that bullshit Uncle Sans. Who'd have thought that he would understand? And I just never fall out, I just wanna win. I'm in it for the long run, I do this on my fam. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why you need to lie? Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why.
Okay, back to the shop. We're gonna show you the result of the paint today. This is the first coat, and this includes the sanding and the wet sanding, so I can get prepared for the final coat. Okay, this is to get rid of all the imperfections in the paint, and as you can see behind me, it's first coat is finally done, and we're going to continue with the paint work.
Something wrong with the picture. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why you need to lie? Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why? How do you get by? Way longer than I'm used to. You started hanging with a new crew, talking to my friends like that's something that I'm used to. I never cashed else, I just wanted him to lose you.
So if you like what you saw today and you want to see more, okay, just like, share, and subscribe. And we're going to show you more videos, we're going to show you more cars and more projects, okay? We got a big year, a long year ahead of us. We're going to show you a lot. So LSS, like, share, subscribe. All right, there's 76% of you, and 76% of you are not subscribed. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. Smash it, baby. See ya.